Hi, welcome to part 6 of the futures contract. In today's lesson, we will discuss what is span margin. Span margin means standard portfolio analysis of risk. Okay, now what does it mean? Here, this span margin is used to calculate the initial margin required for a futures or an options contract. Let us understand how is it calculated. In span margin calculation, which is done by Chicago Mercantile Exchange, and it is used by the Indian stock exchanges, they create 16 different scenario based on the price and volatility combination. Now, price volatility is considered based on unchanged price variation of 33%, 66% and 100% up and down, and a fixed implied volatility change is considered. So based on this 16 scenario, the profit and loss is compared, whereas in case of future it is simple profit and loss, whereas in case of options it will be pricing models. So once the profit and loss is identified, the maximum loss which option or a future contract can give will be considered as the initial margin. Along with this, the calendar spread, if any, will also be considered. What is a calendar spread? Calendar spread is nothing but a simultaneous taking of position, long position in the next future contract and a short position in the near future contract. So since there will be a long and short position, the amount of offsetting which has happened will also be considered there, and that will also be considered for the calculations of the initial margin. So the total margin will be the maximum loss less if there is any credits because of the calendar spreads which is already there with the option or a futures holder. So this is how this span margin is calculated to understand and identify the initial margin required for a future contract or an options contract.